DogWifHat price prediction as WIF becomes 44th biggest coin in the world. Can it overtake Doge? Simon Chandler last updated April 17, 2024 at 17:21 GMT plus 3-3-minute read. WIF has gained by 1% today, with the DogWifHat price returning to $2.56 as the crypto market as a whole has stayed flat in the past 24 hours. The token has now become the 44th biggest coin in the market by cap, although its price is actually down by 26% in a week and by 36% in the past fortnight. It does, however, remain up by over 160,000% since listing in December, a percentage which underlines its considerable growth. And as the biggest and most popular Solana-based meme coin, it could certainly continue rising up the market, even overtaking tokens such as SHIB and DOGE. DogWifHat price prediction as WIF becomes 44th biggest coin in the world. Can it overtake Doge? WIF has actually fallen by nearly 1% in the past hour, and its chart reflects this noticeable loss of momentum. Its relative strength index purple has dropped from nearly 60 earlier this morning to 40 as of writing, with its trajectory suggesting that more losses may be coming before the coin rights itself. At the same time, its 30-day average orange is still slipping downwards, signaling that the coin is struggling to regain any serious impetus in the near term. Having said that, WIF's trading volume is encouragingly high, standing at $700 million today, in contrast to $30 million at the end of February. Such high volume has largely followed from new exchange listings, with OKX announcing its support for WIF only a couple of days ago. There's also ongoing speculation that, sooner or later, Coinbase will join the fun with its own listing, something which could propel the DogWifHat price even further. But the coin may have to wait for the wider market to turn more positive though before it does anything serious, with the possibility of a miner-led BTC sell-off which has already begun to some extent serving to depress sentiment at the moment. If such a sell-off happens, then we may not see WIF recover substantially for at least several months. However, there are reasons to be more optimistic, with the Bitcoin also having the chance to improve the narrative surrounding the cryptocurrency market. On top of this, the Federal Reserve is likely to introduce some rate cuts this year, a move that could increase investor appetite for more speculative assets. In combination with future listings, this could push the DogWifHat price up to $3 again by the summer, and then to $4 by Q4 2024. New meme tokens for new big rallies. Assuming that WIF has to wait for more big movements, some traders may prefer to look to newer meme coins, with several Brazil tokens looking very hot right now. One of these is Sloth, a Solana-based coin that has raised more than $10 million in its pre-sale, which will end in just under 12 days. Created by the same team that launched the successful Smog token, Solana has already attracted plenty of buzz. This is evident not only its pre-sale total, but also in the fact that its official X account now boasts more than 19,000 followers. This suggests that Solana has already been successful in quickly building up its own community, which will prove instrumental in supporting the token over the coming months. Its emergence comes at a time when many Solana-based coins have outperformed the general market, with the aforementioned DogWifHat being the most notable example. As such, Solana could easily tap into an ongoing appetite for buzzy meme tokens, as suggested by its successful pre-sale. While it is less than 2 weeks to run, investors can still join the token offering by going to the Solana website. They can buy Sloth at a rate of 1 SOL for 10,000 Sloth, which works out at around 19,393 cents per coin. Tokens will then be airdropped to investors with the coin listing, and potentially surging soon after. Follow us on Google News. Disclaimer: crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. You could lose all of your capital.